There actually was an article by a LinkedIn executive back in June of this year. The algorithm goes through lots of changes, and this was one of those rare times when the executive actually tried to say and give some ideas on, here's how to get the best ROI out of LinkedIn. And it was a nugget, just lots of nuggets actually. And I think actually Melanie, at the time we were chatting about it, we were engaging in that post that I did about it, I tried to summarize it, and one of her comments I remember was, I don't really think I understand this. So what's the takeaway? What's happening here? There was just so much, and it was a lot of, engineering, LinkedIn engineering geek type conversation, right? But some of the key takeaways that I wanted to share with you guys today, because I've been seeing them recently start to pop up more and basically get validated more. So one of the key things is hashtags. How many are using hashtags now on LinkedIn? How many have your own hashtag on LinkedIn? Awesome. How many know of some really popular hashtags? The ones that have like millions of followers? There's ways of discovering those, and that's actually really smart and really important, because as you're posting content, guys, think about, pick up, business. It might be a generic one like business or social media. That's another huge one.